Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Just for your information, every day I'm taking attendance multiple times. Okay, like at maybe at 6 a.m., 6:40 a.m., 6:45 a.m., 7 a.m. So your attendance is very very important to us. So because if you are not continually attending the classes, you may joining the classes delay. You may not understand the scripting part. Okay, what we started with. So please join exactly at 6 a.m. Mostly I will join at exactly at 6 a.m. only. Okay, approximately I wait until 6162. Yes, in yesterday class, we are discussed about client-side scripting versus server-side scripting. Okay, and also we have noted down multiple points related to the client scripts. There are four types of client scripts available: on load, on change, on submit, on sell edit. Okay, so in today class, we are going to discuss about Glide APIs. Then I will start with Glide Form API in the client-side scripting. So this is a scripting, right? So please try to understand and please try to concentrate. Okay. Okay. Glide API. What is Glide API? You can note down. Glide APIs. So basically, we have multiple Glide APIs available in our Servicenow system. Okay. So by using that Glide APIs, we will perform the operations as per the client requirements. So I already have in the link Glide class overview. Oh, wait. Glide class one Servicenow. Glide class overview. So I'm just closing this. I'm also closing this. Okay. So basically, there are two types of Glide APIs available. Those are client-side Glide APIs and server-side Glide APIs. So first of all, you can note down what is Glide API. The ServiceNow Glide classes expose JavaScript APIs that enable you to conveniently work with the tables using the scripts. Okay. The ServiceNow Glide classes expose JavaScript APIs that enable you to conveniently work with the tables using the script. So for example, if we want to create one record, we don't require to write a SQL query. Then by using Glide record, so we can create a record. Okay, you can say by using the Glide API, you can perform database operations without writing SQL queries. Display UI pages, default UI actions. Okay, these are the things we can able to achieve by using the Glide APIs. What are the things we can achieve by using the Glide APIs? The Servicenow Glide classes expose JavaScript APIs that enable you to conveniently work with tables using the scripts. Okay. If you want to do something on the tables, we have to use the Glide API. Using the Glide API, you can perform database operations without writing SQL queries, like display UI pages, default UI actions. There are two types of uh, Glide classes, okay? Server side and client side. So first we can note down about the client side APIs, okay? Client side Glide classes. So you can come. The first API I'm writing as Glide form. So Glide form API. Second important one is Glide Ajax. This is important, okay? Glide Ajax. And third one is, yeah, only these two APIs are the most important APIs from the client side, okay? Glide form and Glide Ajax. I can say others are not that much important, but we can note down, okay? Glide user. And in our classes, we are going to discuss about these three classes, okay? These three Glide classes. Glide form, Glide Ajax, Glide user. And I also use Glide dialog window in my experience. Maybe one or two times only I have used this. Next API also can note down. Glide menu, Glide list tool. Glide menu. So Glide list tool. Okay. These are the few client side Glide APIs. These are the few client side Glide APIs. Okay. So we can note down about the server side APIs. I think I have already 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6. Yes, I have written. You can come here. The most important Glide API from server side is Glide record. So second one. So next glide system, glide aggregate, glide date time. So we may write aggregate later. Glide date time. So glide aggregate. Okay, and fifth one is glide element. Okay. So you can say server side APIs are like glide record, glide system, glide data, glide aggregate, glide element. These are the few server side glide APIs. Like along with this, we have many glide APIs available in the Servicenow system. Okay. These are the most used glide APIs in the real time. Okay. From that, if it is a client side, first two are very, very important. We will use regularly. If you are writing some scripting bits, at least the area of one API you are going to use if it is a client-side programming. So if it is a server-side programming, the most important one are these all are the most important ones, okay? And even this one also. And we have Glide Record Secure and we have many APIs. Okay. So from this Glide APIs, we can start with one by one. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about client scripts, right? So I'm writing, we are going to discuss about Glide Form API. Glide Form API. I can say we can make 5 stars for this Glide Form API. It's very, very important concept in the real time. Okay. So you can come and see the definition of Glide Form API. So I'm just going to Glide Form. The Glide Form API provides the methods to customize forms. The Glide Form API provides methods to customize forms. Okay. The glide form API provides methods to customize the forms. So glide form JS is the JavaScript class containing all the methods. Only using glide form methods for the client. You can use these methods to make custom changes to the form view of the records. All validations of examples was done using the client scripts. So the methods in other client scripts such as catalog, client scripts. We don't require all these, so we may write like this. Okay. You can use glide form methods to make custom changes to the form view of the records. Okay. So I'm just copying this. You can use glide form, glide form methods to make custom changes to the form view of records. Okay, next. To access glide form API, to access glide form methods, to access glide form methods, use G underscore form object. To access glide form methods, use G underscore form object. Okay. By using G underscore form object, we can able to access all methods from the glide form. Okay. So I'm just adding to dictionary. Add to dictionary. Okay. So I'm just copying the URL as well here. Next. You can come. So, and I'm also writing one more point. Okay. So glide form methods are only used in, tell me, client side scripting. You can also note down this one. Glide form methods are only used in client side scripting. Okay. The client side scripting. So we can note down few methods from the glide form. Okay. We can note down the methods. For, for those methods, I'm navigating to client scripts here. Okay. The system definition, we have client scripts. I'm just clicking on new client script. So I may write the methods which we'll use regularly in the real time. Okay. Now you can see I just opened a client script. Okay. Here I'm writing like g underscore form dot. You can see. If we type g underscore form dot, okay, if you type g underscore form dot, immediately it will give you the methods, convenient methods, okay. G underscore form dot set mandatory. Maybe we can go alphabet order wise. Add error message. Add error message. G underscore form dot add info message. G underscore form dot. Yeah. So add option. G underscore form dot B. B, C. Clear messages we will use. G underscore form dot C. Clear options we will use. G underscore form dot C. Clear value also we will use. Okay. These are the methods we are going to use for C. G underscore form dot D. Nothing. Mm, yeah, you can say. Get session names. We will use this method. Right. So we can also use this method. Get label of, get reference, right. Get label of, the underscore formula. Get, get option, of, get reference and writing. So mostly even we don't require label of, okay. I haven't used that much frequently. Just confirm that. Get session dates, the underscore form dot get after section names, get a table name, the underscore form dot get unique key value. That means it will give you the SysID. The underscore form dot get value. Okay. And we can also verify if any missing API is anything get. Yeah, these are fine. Okay. A, B, C, D, F, G, H. If it is H, hide all field messages. The underscore form dot H, hide error box. The underscore form dot H, hide field message. Okay. Next, the underscore form dot child is due record. So even is mandatory also will use. So as of I'm not writing, is mandatory also will use. Okay. I'm not writing as of now. It's just verifying whether that field is mandatory or not. Okay. As of I'm just writing new record. Okay. Next, I J K L M M O P Q R. Remove option only. Okay. Remove option. The underscore form dot. Next, remove option. Yeah, only remove option here. Yes. Set disable, set display, set disable. The underscore form dot set display will use the underscore form dot set mandatory, the underscore form dot set read only, underscore form dot set session display, underscore form dot set value, the underscore form dot set visible, the underscore form dot set here. T U V W X Y Z. Okay, these are the few methods we use regularly. So I may get label of. Uh, I haven't used this. Maybe one time I gets the plain text value of the field name. This method is value starting with the field name. Yeah, that's fine. You can keep. Okay, these are the methods we are going to use by using the glide form API. Okay, just to copy this. And we can note down the proper syntaxes for these methods. Okay. Again, I'm copying, and I will provide you in order wise. Mandatory read only. You can bring mandatory read only. Mandatory read only. Next. Related methods are keeping one side. Okay. Related methods are keeping one side. Visible display disable. Display disable. Set session display. Set result. Mandatory read only. Visible. Set display disable. Okay. Next. You can see get value somewhere you will found get value return. Oh, yeah, here we have get value. Next, get value, get reference. You can see get reference. These are the related methods actually, okay? It's kind of similar functionality. Set value, clear value. Set value, then clear value. These methods for setting field values and retrieving the field values, clearing the field values. Next, choice field related methods we can note down. Add option, remove option, clear option. Okay, these are the choice values related methods. Next, get session dates. I'm just keeping get session dates. Set session display. It's related to form section. These two methods. Okay. Next, I'm just removing this. We don't require actually. I may explain you. You can come. Add info message. Add other message. Clear message. Okay. Next. Am I written show field message not right? We can note down these also. We have another method sign is here. Just perform dot show error box. G underscore form dot show field message. Okay. These are the field messages. Okay. These two. Just copying it. Clear message. Show error box, show field message, hide field messages, hide error box, hide all field. These are specific kind of. Even table name also not required. Okay, I haven't used any time. Maybe one or two times I have used. It's just for example, if we are writing client script at the incident table. So if you use JSQL format get table name method, it will provide you the result is incident. Okay, like this. Get a req value and is the record. Yeah, we will use this frequently in the real time. So these are the methods mostly we are going to use in the real time, most of the time. Okay. So we have, I can say we have 100 plus methods available within the glide form from that. So these are the methods we are going to use regularly in the system. you can come here, we can note down the proper syntaxes. Set mandatory, field name comma, value, set mandatory, field name comma, true or false. Okay. If it is a Boolean value, we don't require to keep in the double quotes or single quotes. Set read only, field name comma, true or false. Set visible, field name comma, true or false. Set display, field name comma, true or false. Set disable, field name comma, true or false. Get value, just FIEL, field name. Okay, field name, get value, field name. So here we have to use reference field name. So if you want to get the entire reference field object, for example, in the instead form, we have caller. If we select caller ability tutor, if you want that caller ability tutors inside, we have to use get value. If you want entire caller ability tutors details, we have to use get reference. Okay. Reference field name. Maybe you just I'm just writing as a field name. Okay. File and the field name. Set value, field name, comma, value. We have to write like this. Clear value. On which field you are going to clear the value. Field name. Okay, this is clear value. Next. Add action. These three methods are related to choice. Okay. Field name, comma, value, comma, label. So we have to provide like this. Field name, comma, value, comma, label. So if it is a remove option, field name, comma, value. Okay. If it is a clear option, on which field you are going to clear the choice lines. Field name. Get section names. Here we don't have anything. So swap section, date, comma, true or false. You have to write like this. Swap section, date, comma. Here also I will mention a choice. Choice. Here I may use reference field. Because this method only used for reference field. These three methods only used for choice fields. That's what I have written like this. Okay. Add info message. Message. If you want to display any message at the top of the form, yes, we have to use these methods. Show error box. Wait, Control X. Show field message. Show field message. Field name, comma. Field name, comma. Message, comma. Comma. Type. We have to provide type. Type should be like I'm writing like this: info or error. Type should be info or error. So here you have to provide info or error only. You don't write type. Okay. I just for your understanding purpose, I have mentioned type colon. Error box. IE and the field name, comma, message. Hide field message. So hide field message means hide field message. We just need to use field name. Okay. So here also. So hide all field messages. So these are the syntaxes for the glide form APIs. So we have noted down only few API details. Still, we have multiple things. Okay, still we have multiple things within the glide form APIs. So you can see if we see here, you can see how many methods are there. You can see these are all are the methods only. 100 plus methods are there. So whatever the methods we are using regularly, I just noted down in the notepad. Here, if you observe, dynamic conversions are very, very important. Okay. If any any variable name, any field name, any function name, any condition name contains more than two words. Okay. From second word onwards, we have to follow the unit cap. Okay. So, any queries here? Tell me. Here, if you have any queries, tell me. So basically, from this slide script pad, from this script pad, okay. I just when I type g underscore form dot, it is showing all the messages. I just selected the method. Okay. In your case, you have to type the entire method. Don't select. If you are selecting the methods, you may not uh, get the methods in your memory, I can say. Okay. So first you can take one rough notebook. You can take one rough notebook and you can note down all the methods. First you can see all the methods and you can write on the notes. Thereafter, maybe you can by heart, you can practice the methods, and again in the rough notebook, you can try to write the methods without seeing by notepad. Okay. Then you can correct what are the mistakes you did. You can try until you are perfect with writing these methods. Then only you can select like this. What are the method you want, you can select. Until you get to know all these methods and proper syntaxes, don't select. You can write. Okay. For example, I want to write gems performed are set mandatory. You have to write like this. ANDATORY. So even here method is showing to me. Okay, if I select, yes, if I am a experienced guy and I know about that method. If I select, no issue. Okay, you are new to this, right? That's what even if it is appearing, don't select. You can type. If you are typing, if you are practicing, those methods are convenient for you. Once you are good with all these methods, then onwards you can select. Instead of typing, you can select the methods. Got it, everyone? I'm stopping here for 1 minute. From this, if you have any queries, let me know. Any queries?
Mm,
No?
no.
Somebody please read all the methods loudly. Who is going to read? Who is
Should
going
I,
to?
should I
Yeah, yeah,
read?
yeah, yeah.
G form set mandatory.
You
Field
have to
name
call like not G form, G
G
underscore
underscore
form
form.
dot.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you can read.
G underscore form dot set mandatory field name true or false.
Okay. G
G form
underscore form dot set mandatory of field name comma boolean value either true or false. So basically, the set mandatory method is used to make field mandatory or remove mandatory from the field. Yes, you can go to the next method.
G what is G
G
underscore
underscore form. Yeah.
G underscore form dot set read only of field name true or false boolean.
Okay. So this method is used to make field read only or editable in the form. Okay. Next method.
G_form dot set visible of field name true or false boolean.
You can also go to the next method.
G_form dot set display field name of field name true or false boolean.
Oh. This set visible and set display methods both are used to display or hide the fields within the form. Set display and set visible, both the methods are used to display or hide the fields on the form. We have small difference. So if you are using set visible, by using set visible, if you are hiding a field, okay, it will simply hide the field and that field space should be there. If you are using set display, along with hiding the field, that field space will be allocated to the another field. Okay, that is only the difference. Next method.
G_form dot set disabled of field name boolean true or false.
Okay, set disabled method. Set disabled method also it's kind of available or not available. That field available or not available. It's kind of making field read only or writable kind. Okay. Here in interviews, they have asked me a few questions here. Okay. What is the difference between set visible, set display, and set disable? Okay, in interviews, in one interview, they have asked about this question. What is the difference between set visible, set display, set disable? You can come and note down the theory for these methods. Set visible. I'm just copying and you can come to the notepad. This set visible displays or hides the field. Set visible displays or hides the field. Okay, in the form. And next. On desktop, where the space is left blank when hidden. Okay. On desktop, where the space is left blank when hidden. On mobile or service portal, where the space is filled with other fields. This method cannot hide bad directory fields with no value. So, for example, in the incident form, we have short description field. The short description is a mandatory field, but you are trying to hide a short description field. Okay, as you know, that is a mandatory field. We cannot hide mandatory fields. We cannot hide mandatory fields. Okay. On desktop UI, the space is left blank, very hidden. So basically, if we use set visible, if we are hiding one field, that field space is allocated to the another field. Okay. If it is a mobile or service portal, by default it will be allocated to another field only. This method cannot hide mandatory fields. So you can say again what they are advising. Use UI policy rather than this method whenever possible. Servicenow always tells us no coding. If without coding, if the requirement is not possible, then low coding. Then only you can go for advanced scripts. Okay. Servicenow always suggests us don't use coding. If you want to use code, yes, you can use as much as low coding. Without advanced coding not possible, then only you can go to the coding. You can see they are explaining about this method and finally saying use UI policy instead of this method. Okay. It should be like that only. ServiceNow don't encourage writing scripts. Just copying this answer. Next. Set display also have the same theory. Okay. But only thing is on the desktop UI also it will allocate that field space to some other fields. Set display. Wait. You can say displays or hides the field.